Imagine moving to the UK, imagine working so hard in a care home and just one single mistake destroyed everything that you've worked hard for. Opportunity to stay in the UK, opportunity to achieve what you want to achieve for yourself, all gone just because of one mistake. This is the fate of a male carer from Africa that works in a care home here. This is what happened to him. He was sent to jail for 14 months, and after that he will be deported back to his country. I'm going to tell you the full gist. If you like this kind of story, stay with me and watch till the end.
Must be something in the water, something in the water.
Hi everyone, my name is Ollie. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please subscribe and turn on your notification bell so that you get to see all my videos. To my returning subscribers, you're always welcome. So today we'll be sharing the story of an African man that was sent to prison. He'll be staying there for 14 months and afterwards he will be deported. What happened? This gentleman works in a care home in Chester in England, and according to reports, he was touching his colleague inappropriately. It was a female colleague. He was making sexual advances towards her at workplace, guys, at workplace. And according to the story, the lady reported that she refused. She doesn't want to have a relationship with him. The lady is a white person, is a British person. So she refused. She doesn't want to have a relationship. But this young man continued until one day, this young man placed this female colleague's hand on his private parts. On his private parts. Guys, what's the intention behind that? Why will he do this? He placed the female colleague on his private parts. And then the female colleague had to report the incidents. And after investigation, court case was heard and the man was sent to prison for 14 months. And after that, he will be deported back to his country. Imagine, just like that, his future in the UK is gone just for one single mistake. I don't know, stories like this are rampant. I don't know why people keep repeating the same thing. Number one, this is at the workplace. It's even against the work code. You don't make sexual advances in the workplace. Even if this young man is interested in this colleague, why not do it outside? Why not take it outside? Why do it at the workplace? Number one is against the work code. And number two, because it's done without consent, it is termed as sexual assault. Whatever you want to do with an adult, you have to make sure that you're gaining your consent. If you do it without consent, you're going in for it. So stories like this remind us that wherever we are, respect for boundaries are non-negotiable. You must respect boundaries. You must seek consent before you do whatever you want to do. We are adults. Seek consent, and if the person refuses, leave them. There are many fishes in the ocean. You don't force things on people. If you do, you will go in for it. You know, many immigrants come to the UK to build a better life, to support their family back home, to build that dream that they want. And one single mistake like this can crash everything. One single mistake can send you home instantly. You will have to pay for the offense first, maybe going for jail time before going home. It's advisable that when you come to a country, if you don't know how the country operates, you ask questions. Professionalism is not something that you play with. You cannot come to the workplace and be making sexual advances with your colleague. Same thing with the patient. You cannot be making sexual advances to your patient. It's against the work code. Take all these things outside. Even if the person consented, you don't do it at workplace. You take everything outside. So you have to know the law and respect the law. And finally, do not let one wrong action to destroy everything that you have built. So let me know in the comments, what do you think about this story? Do people like this deserve a second chance, or do you think that justice is served? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys in my next video. For now, you take care. Bye bye.